hummus, or maybe you pronounce it hummus. It doesn't really matter, because the point is, that's what I'm making today. I'm gonna show you how to make it at home. It's really easy, please follow me. We have 1 can of chickpeas. I already rinsed them. We got our 1 can of chickpeas. Lemons. I found this cool lemon juicer. I've never used a lemon juicer. I just use my bare hands and then the seeds inevitably fall in. Okay, cool, here we go. So we have our half a lemon. Oh my god. Alright, just no fear. Alright, so we're gonna do, it works. Yeah. Getting out all of my frustration. I feel kind of bad for the lemon, not gonna lie. Like, what did the lemon ever do? And here I am just inflicting violence. For what? Juice? I don't know. It's utterly destroyed. Okay, now comes the part where everything gets really, really easy, because nope. Garlic. It's not that garlic is like particularly difficult. It is raw garlic. The thing is, raw garlic is powerful. You'll know this if you've ever ingested raw garlic or read Bram Stoker's Dracula or watched the movie. Oh. This is 3-in-1. That's 3-in-1 garlic. 3 for the price of 1. Thanks, garlic. I haven't spoken to human people in so long. There's an easier way to peel garlic. I do know this. I've been thinking a lot lately about pistachios. I just had a whole bunch. I mean, I felt kind of feral. I feel like it was like, oh, like something's unlocked in my like primate brain, where it was just like, crack nut, successfully eat nut. This is the part where we dump in our chickpeas. Come on, get those stragglers. Now, hello. Wow. When did people invent this? We're gonna, let's toss in our garlic. The magic ingredient. We have our tahini. Real exciting. Or maybe you pronounce it tahini. I'm not gonna fault you. This is what's gonna get everything creamy and give it that, you know, speaking of pistachios and nuts, this is gonna give it a nice nutty flavor. Alright, that's enough of that for now. Coat yourself as always. Yeah. You don't have to add olive oil. I like adding olive oil because, I don't know, if you got it. Okay. My arms hurt. Oh, I'm sorry. What did I step on? Oh, it's garlic. Heebie-jeebies. I'm gonna add a tiny little bit of water to start. Okay, and now, Armageddon. Yeah, I think now would be a really good time to start a conversation with someone. Oh hey, how's it going? How you doing? Alright. Oh, he can hear me perfectly. Okay, I think the problem is I'm projecting because of all of my musical theater training, so I'd have to speak at a normal volume. So that bit's over. It doesn't look bad, it doesn't look bad. But is it ready yet? No. Probably not.
Taller one in a second. I'm just gonna go get the taller one.
Ooh.
What's happening with
It's lemony.
something.
Everyone's excited about pistachios.
Hours.
Why? Because it's
But that's the good
hominid
news.
brain. Okay, this is incredibly lemony. We put a lot of lemon in. I'm just gonna add a little more salt. Yeah, I'm going gross. Okay, I'm not pouring it out into my hand first. What?
A lot of Pokemon.
I see what's happening. I'm the one who couldn't hear. Okay, anyway.
You
That's food safety.
this is the question.
But you
That's pretty good.
wanna stand on the steps roll?
That's pretty good.
You
Yeah, you know, I think it depends on the food processor you have or the blender you have, but the texture, ideally, I'd like it to be a little bit smoother, not as chunky. I don't think that's something that I'm gonna get with the tiny little food processor I have here. But if you wanna come take a look at our final product, see, nice and creamy. If you want it to be, you know, a little less dense in this consistency, just keep adding water. I'm gonna plate it up. I'm gonna plate it up nicey, you know. What is that? This is a plate. Okay. This is the hummus we just made. See? Super quick, easy, effective. Your whole family will love it. And if they hate it, then you can sue me. Please don't sue me. I have no money. A little well in the center. Well. I can't wait to edit this part out of what I want to do.
Hold on, let me just wave it up because I don't know. Mama's head is like bag.
Just attach it. And then another spoon. Like I said, you gotta be cooking with like all the spoons at your disposal. Cooking is okay. I really picked a terrible container for this. This looks horrible and like a nightmare. Yep. We're gonna pour a little mixture there in the middle. Really should be more of this. Sometimes just gotta be a little lazy. Take that, Sporticus. We're gonna do a little. It's not exactly a little drizzle, but it is what it is. Oh yeah, spices. Okay. Every good kitchen should have paprika, so get out your paprika. Everyone should have parsley. I don't need to say everyone. If you don't have paprika or parsley, like, I'm not here to make a judgment. I'm just saying. Like, you probably have these things. You probably have them. Ends up cover. Okay, back to our plate. Yeah. Sprinkle of the paprika. Do a little parsley and some za'atar. I've always had these pita chips out here to try our hummus with, but take a look, bring it in. There we go. That's our little homemade hummus. Super easy. Can of chickpeas is like less than $1, and a tub of hummus that you'll buy at the store is like $5. So you tell me. Well, if you guys make this at home, let me know how it turns out. If it turns out well, then definitely let me know. And if it turns out terribly, then let me know in private. You want more? Okay. Ew. Okay, I'm gonna wash mine. Great. Thanks for joining us.